Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you two online editor that you can use, which is very good. One is repl.it. This is it. How to create a project. Don't worry, I'll post a link down below. You can just create a project. You have so many programs. I'll just create there. Python. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, you can write your code here. You can write your code, and then you can click run here. And then the next one is glot.io. These are so many programs that you can choose the one that you want to work with. You click here, I'll click here Python. Here you can type your code, and then here you can run your code. For example, let me run this code. See, yeah. So these are the two various online code editor that you can use. So it is very simple to create an account. Don't worry, I don't want to make the video to be too long. That is why I did not create an account in the video, but it's very easy. So I'll just post you the link down below. From there you want to see what you can do. So you have repl.it and then glot.io. So thanks guys for watching. If there's any comment, please leave it down below. And if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. And until then, see you guys.